Hi, I'm Indira Rodriguez Lopez, and as a bilingual teacher and mother, I've seen firsthand how language learning is a journey. Today, I share how, as a teacher, I support English language learners through scaffolding. Using a student native language is not a barrier, it's a bridge. Research shows that allowing a student use their first language can enhance comprehension and support cognitive development. Garcia and Kaylen 2016. Scaffolding helps English language learners participate in discussion. In my classroom, I use several scaffolding strategies to support English language learners. Frames is one of the most that I use when I'm going to do share, think, parent, share, or when the student would like to share their ideas. These provide a structure and help a student express their ideas. Visual aids is another one that I use with images, charts, and real objects to make abstract concepts more concrete. They also label pictures and they use key vocabulary, which reinforce word meaning and building confidence. I also use, as I said before, partner or peer support. Pairing a student for discussions allow them to participate in their language in low pressure setting and learn from each other. Sometimes when the students are learning a new language, they feel embarrassed to share their ideas or thoughts in front of a lot of people. So in my experience, I think they feel more comfortable like sharing just with another student, like better than in front of the whole classroom. Native language as a resource. In my class, I let the students brainstorm or labor in their home language. I encourage peer discussions in their home language as well, and I support them in repeating their thoughts in English right after their discussion. We also, as a school, use an app that is called Lexia English, and it's a personalized language learning program that supports English learners' skills. Academic vocabulary strategies. Introducing academic vocabulary takes intentional planning. I also pre-teach the words with visuals, using gestures, and connect to a student's experience. I provide repetition in multiple exposures. Here, I would like to uh, bring an example. Let's say that I'm going to teach the word flower. I show my student a flower. I said the word aloud, and right after, I made them draw a picture, write the word in English and Spanish, and then I made them write a sentence about it. I also try to find a story that is about flowers, and whenever they see the word flower, they need to circle it around. So I also provide repetition, as I said, and multiple exposures, and my students create a word wall, and some of their work, we collect their work in a binder. Every multilingual learner can succeed with the right support. Scaffolding, honoring their native language, and using effective vocabulary strategies make big difference. Thank you for watching. Here are the reference.